Hello again, folks, and welcome to another edition of BC Renovation Magazine. Today is a little special episode. Today I have my daughter Zanny working with me. She's visiting us for the weekend, and she said, Dad, I want to come and work with you on one of your job sites. So there she is down there. We're fixing rotten wood on this mobile home here that we're getting ready to get the skirting on. And we are just, you can see what we've done here. We've got the old wood has been removed, all the rotten stuff has been taken out, and we've put in this new wood. This is a common problem on these homes of this vintage where they have this T111 siding. This T111 siding is a wood composite siding, and because of the fact that there's no eaves troughs on these, and if people don't put eaves troughs on it, this problem occurs over time. Water runs off the roof down the wall, and then it collects down at the bottom where the skirting is. And the old way of doing skirting with the vinyl cap is not a great way of doing skirting. It kind of traps water. We'll be doing it different, and you're going to see as we go along that it's a bit different from the normal way. So this is all done. This is all solid wood here now, so this is all ready to accept the new skirting and the new skirting trim. This end is also done. You can see here we're all ready to go. It's been all repaired. Purpose of the red tape is not for waterproofing. We do the red tape here to help with seal against air infiltration into the wall where we repaired it. So once we get all the way around, have made these repairs, and we'll start with the skirting. And so Zanny here has helped me on lots of jobs over the years. She's a good DIYer. We've tried to teach our daughters to be self-sufficient and do as many things as they can. That's something that we really encourage. And so she spent quite a bit of time working with me, roofing and painting and doing siding and this type of work. So she's screwing these panels on here. So we have a lot of female viewers on the channel, and we just would like to encourage you to tackle some of these jobs yourself. Women can do this. There's no reason why you can't. Don't let anybody tell you that you can't. A lot of aspects, women are better at this type of thing than men. I've worked with women over the years. I've worked with a lot of men over the years, and I find my experience is that ladies have a better attention to detail than men often. They like to take care of the little things, and so if you're a female thinking about doing this kind of work, I really encourage you just to try something. You don't have to do a big project to start with. Start with something small and see how that goes for you. And if you can do it yourself, you save yourself a lot of money, and there's a lot of satisfaction in doing your own work. If you look at our recommended channels on our homepage, our front page there, you'll see a link to a couple of female DIYer type people. One of them is April Wilkinson. She's a huge YouTuber out of the United States, and go and have a look at some of her stuff. Amazing what she does, with her DIY skills. She's a very talented lady. And another one is also Leah from C. Jane Drill. Both of those are on my recommended channels list. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one. Goodbye.